I'm sorry to say, Mr. Cop, that your head is just no good anymore.
Bummer!
And your body is no good either, Cop Doggy.
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh, tell me, nurse, what's your idea?
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Great idea and stuff.
This is Sarah Haddock reporting live from the major hospital in town. This just in, it stopped raining. And doctors and nurses have successfully saved Officer Knight and Greg the dog by creating... Dogman!
Why do you always gotta lick the